Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. To Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. We just opened Chevy Techline Connect, and as soon as you open it, it will update the J2534 wrapper, GDS cores, Tech Connect. Everything will be downloaded to your car. This one here is online tech support. I'm helping my son. He is not here. He's doing a car, and when we try to program it, it doesn't want to go through. But we found that the cache, you have to clear all the cache in your laptop. We did it, and now automatically all this will be updated. You see, like common service programming, and then it will take you directly to the system. Don't do nothing, you wait. It's supposed to open. And then when it's open, you go to your car, connect your J2534, and it will take, you just wait, because maybe it's doing something. Unless if you want to connect again. No, log in or launch tech again. Don't do nothing. You try to do it again? Okay. Oh, because it's up there, right? So wait, when it log, okay. So now let me see. I'm gonna view. Come down here. Add the VIN. Be sure you have a good internet. Admin console, you're gonna wait here, it's gonna be blue. It's supposed to come, it's supposed to open, right? What is here? This is just be sure you have internet, Ahmed. You click on it, right?
Yeah.
So you're gonna wait. Supposed to work. Ignition is on? Okay, connect. VCX, yeah. No, the bottom, yeah. Continue. Connect the vehicle. Ignition is on?
Yeah.
You're gonna see the car here if everything is good. Say loading vehicle information.
Okay.
Internet is not good. You see that your internet is very weak, Ahmed. That's why.
Okay, let me go ask them.
You see here, I see the car, 2014 Impala black, but the internet gone. So I do it again. They give you another net. Ahmed, Hello? You don't have net, it's not gonna work. If internet is weak, it's not gonna help. They cannot start this car and put it inside the shop? The car can go, but it's only in limb mode. Because you see here, you have very weak internet.